and welcome to my channel. First things first, stop what you're doing and subscribe because there are going to be so many more videos coming. I don't think you want to miss out. Anywho, so I'm back. Look at this hair. Look at my hair. Look at it. So today I'm here to show you guys my hot oil treatment routine. First I'm starting off on my dry hair. I took it out the ponytail. It's been in the ponytail for about a week. Haven't really done much to it. It's really dry. So I'm going to start off with this shampoo. I don't know if you know, my mom put me on. So I'm going to mix this with some baking soda. So this is the baking soda that I'm going to be using today. You can use any baking soda that you have on hand. Now that we have a fair amount in the cup. Now you can mix it in with a spoon or, a tool of your choice. But I went ahead and mixed it in with my fingers. Now that we have that mixed in, this is what it's looking like. It is a solid paste. They're both mixed in together. Now I'm going to go right in and rinse my hair. Now that our hair is wet, I'm going to go right in with the shampoo. And just so you guys know, the paste is very, very foamy. Very foamy. As you put your hands in it, you can feel the baking soda diffusing, and it makes it much, much foamier. So I'm going to go ahead and spread all of this all over my head, making sure that it's reaching my scalp. So I put the shampoo all over my head, and now I'm going to just begin to scratch to make sure that I'm cleaning my scalp, getting all the dirt, making sure that everything is scrubbed thoroughly. Now that my scalp is clean, I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes in my hair. So I am back. I waited about 15 minutes with this in my hair, and my scalp is tingling, and I do feel like it's clean, so I'm going to go ahead and wash it out, and I'll be right back. So I've washed out all the shampoo. So far my hair feels super clean. Same brand. And this is the Rosemary Oil Vitamin E Hair Treatment Conditioner. So for the conditioner, I'm going to part my hair in sections. I'm going to put in the description box the link to these products where you can purchase them. I got y'all. So now that I have this section here, I'm going to go right into the conditioner. So just a little bit more. White tooth comb and begin to detangle. And by the way, guys, I do have a wash day routine video up on my channel. I'll also have that down below. Oh my God, look at my curls. Look at this. I think I'm in love with this product. Oh my God. So I'm going to go right in with this next section, the conditioner. So now that I've mixed the conditioner, I'm going to do what I did in the first section. Begin to detangle, making my way from the ends up. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up for you guys and do the same exact thing to this other side. Oh my God, I think I'm in love. Like, look, oh my God. So now that I've thoroughly detangled my hair and put the conditioner in, I am going to wait with the conditioner at least 30 to 45 minutes so I can get the full effect. And I'll be back to show you guys the results, but for now, I have to say that I am obsessed. I am obsessed. I'm going to use this bag today. So I'm going to sit around like this for a few, and I'll be back. So I am back. So now that I've waited, next I'm going to be using this small bowl. Next, I'm going to be taking this peppermint oil, take a little lavender oil. Now that I have the oil, I'm going to mix it all together. Pour in the hot water, and I'm going to take the oils and set them inside the hot water. I'm going to just stir it so the oil can get as hot as possible and be mixed in well, so all the oils can mix in together. 2 to 3 minutes at the most, especially since it's a small amount. So while we're waiting for that, I'm going to go ahead and take off the bag. So while I'm waiting on the oil, I'm going to go ahead and do it again in sections just to make sure I get the oil everywhere. So now that the oil is completely heated, I'm going to take a small amount of my finger. Making sure that I'm massaging the oils into my scalp. Making sure that the oil is reaching my scalp. Once it's all over my scalp, take a little bit more. And rub it in all of the hair.
Oh, the peppermint is strong.
Hey guys, it's your girl here. Don't forget to leave a comment below on what you think about this video. And again, don't forget to subscribe. And just so you guys know, these oils are amazing. I mean, from the castor oil to the peppermint to the lavender, they do wonders on my hair, on all textures. And I don't know if you can already see how defined my curls are. Oh my God. When I say this stuff works, this stuff works. Look at my hair. Look at my curls.
So now that the oil is in, I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes and I'm going to be right back. We're almost done, guys.
So obviously I didn't have a shower cap, so I did go ahead and use a bag.
So I've waited 30 minutes and here we are, baby. And I'm just gonna rinse out the conditioner and the oil.
So that is it, guys. I am gonna go ahead and do a little baby hair just to style it and make it look cute. And yep, my curls are popping. Popping, baby.
And there we have it, guys. So, yes, guys, this is what my hair looks like with no product in it whatso freaking ever. Would you believe that? If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.